Can homemade hummus be better than store-bought? Stick around and we'll find out. Few simple steps and we can make hummus that's way better than store-bought. The few ingredients that we'll need are 3 cups of chickpeas, 2 medium lemons, half a cup of tahini sauce, a few garlics, olive oil, and salt to taste. In the food processor, we'll add the tahini. We'll let the tahini get nice and creamy. Now I'm adding my garlic, 3 cloves. I'm going to start the processor for about 30 seconds to get the garlic nice and chopped. I like to stop periodically and scrape down the sides, make sure everything gets incorporated. Once I feel that the garlic and the tahini is nice and smooth, I will add the lemon. The lemon will provide some liquid. Once the lemon is incorporated, we'll start adding the chickpeas. I like to add all the chickpeas at once. At this point, things are still dry and clumpy. I'm adding 4 to 5 tablespoons of olive oil to loosen things up. We're starting to see the hummus come together, but we're not quite there yet. We can add a 1/4 cup of water to smooth things up. Our hummus is finally becoming smooth. We'll just let it go for a few minutes so it gets nice and creamy. Periodically stop and scrape the sides to make sure we get every last piece incorporated and smooth. There are other flavors we could add to our hummus, like cumin. I'm opting to use just salt. Once I felt that my hummus is as smooth as I like it, I'm going to transfer to a storage container and pop it in the fridge. If you found this video useful, hit the like button and consider subscribing.